things are about to change, and things can change for you, and you can direct the change. You direct the change by knowing what you want and get into the frequency of what you want. So this week is the Lionsgate Portal. It is on 8/8, and that's the peak, and it still will have like another week to go as it wavers off. And the Lionsgate Portal is one of the strongest portals of the year. And this week in particular, it is aligned with the super full moon, and it's the last of the 3 super full moons for the year. And this one's in Aquarius. So what does that mean? It means a lot of emotions. You're going to get an influx of emotions and also an influx of ideas, because as you open up the portals and you know what you want, you're going to get ideas and downloads on how to make it happen. So you got to write it down. Write it down, because you're gonna have to filter. You can't do it all, and you're not supposed to do it all, and you're gonna test it. And just remember to give it time. Maybe a span of 3 days where you okay, it keeps coming up. I do know what I want. I've been wanting this for a long time, to reaffirm it, and then things are gonna show up for you. So because of this flood of emotions and this flood of ideas, there are 3 tips that I suggest that you do to help you get grounded again. They're really easy, fun things. First is to roar. Yeah, roar, like roar, like a lion. And the reason is because Leo season is here. August is Leo, and Leo is the lion. And it reminds me of the Lion King. And the Lion King, my favorite scene is at the end when Simba defeats Scar, and it's such an epic scene. So I want you to go back there with me, because I know you've watched it. So he's defeated Scar, it's raining, and all the other lionesses are around, and then all of a sudden there's a cloud that comes in, and then you see Mufasa's face in the clouds, and Mufasa's his dad, and then the awesome, powerful voice of Sean Connery comes on. Remember who you are. Remember who you are. And so then Simba walks on top of Pride Rock, and he roars 3 times, and then life comes back again. So roaring reminds you who you are, gets you back into your kingdomness or your kingness, and it stimulates your vagus nerve. Stimulates your vagus nerve, so calms you down. So roar as many times a day to remember who you are. The second thing is to smile. Smile stands for start my internal love engine. Start my internal love engine. And smiling will put you into the present, and also bringing the future into the present, because smiling means you already have it. So smile through the pain, smile through whatever it is, that workout, smile in the moment, smile while you're working. The more you smile, the better. Okay. And if you need to brighten up that smile, if you're in Denver, book our teeth whitening, because it's awesome. It's the most zenful experience you'll ever have, and it'll brighten up your smile. So the last thing to do is to come to your senses. Come to your senses with aromatherapy oils, essential oils. So oils have the capacity or the power to bring you into a mood or to remove a mood within 22 seconds, because it stimulates your limbic nerves, okay? And so it can bring you into a higher state for meditation. It can lift your mood. And I recommend you holding it here on the bottom, or like your belly button, and then spiraling it up, going slow, because that'll wind up your kundalini light. Taking a whiff out of the right nostril, or any nostril, one nostril, breathing a little bit slower, breathing in 3, breathing out 6. Then the other side, breathing in 3, breathing out 6. And then in the middle, breathing in 3, breathing out 6. Then continue however you feel like you need. But you're gonna feel that one side is stronger than the other, and that's totally normal, but bringing you back to your senses to bring you to a calmness. So the 3 tips: roar, smile, and come to your senses. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and that many portals open up for you in the aspect that you want, that you direct the focus and the energy. So may you be free, may you find peace, may you have grace and courage.